Hi! In this video, I will show you how to install CEMU Emulator on Android in order to play Wii U games on your phone. So first things first, let's see if CEMU is available in your Play Store. You can head over to your Play Store, click on search, and click on the search bar. From in there, search for CEMU. And then from in there, head over and input CEMU Emulator. And as you can see, we have in here these emulators, but there's no CEMU. So what we can do is we can head over to our browser next and search in here for CEMU Emulator. Now we should be able to see their website. So click on the CEMU Emulator. Then after that, you can see this. So we have in here system requirements and the likes, graphics. Click on this download latest version. And in here we can see this. Now, under the releases, just scroll down until you can see the assets. So you have the option to download in here. As you can see, we have Mac OS, Ubuntu, Windows, as well as app image. If you want the application itself, what you can do is you can head over and just choose in here this up to down option, which is CEMU for Android. So click on it, and then from in there, just click on this get latest version. Then wait for this to successfully load, and once it's done loading, you can head over and click onto this download option right here. And once it's done downloading, you can install it directly to your phone and open it. So that's how you install CEMU Emulator on Android. Hope we help.